Bright light. But it was amazing, the shades of grey and blue, and
It's all state of your life.
Yes, but not that I could see anything, but just the colors were changing with what you were saying.
True.
And when you said 5 years from now, present, 5 years from now, you're just imagining that it will give you a clue and a signal that look after your health. Because 5 years from now, you don't know what's going to happen. So if you don't look after your health, you're going to go down. So what age you are right now, and you said 5 years from now, in your life, it is giving you so much signal that look after your health. So it will remain the way you are today.
Yes, she is absolutely right.
But when you are mindful, આપણે જે પ્રેઝન્ટ મોમેન્ટમાં જીવતા છે કાં તો આપણે પાછમાં હોય કાં તો ભૂચેમાં હમણાં બી બેઠા હતા ને એટલે વિચારતા હતા કે હમણાં ઘરે જઈને મારા આ વાત વાળું છે કોને વિચારે છે કોક તો વિચારતું જ હશે આપણે આ સાથે બોલી છે કે આપણે જ્યાં હોય ને ત્યાં આપણે હોતા નથી એના લીધે આપણે ક્યાંય નથી જતા જ્યાં ને ત્યાં જઈ જાય તો આજે આ બધું આપણે કાઢવાનું છે why I'm doing this session today. Me, I'm also middle of my life. I'm almost 49. 1 year left to be this. And like all of you, it also said to me that successful life means you have to be intelligent student, you will go to university, get good marks, go to good university, study hard, study smart, learn many things in your life. Then find out a nice guy or nice girl, then raise your own children. Then one day you will die. This is your successful life.
Today, it's a musical group. Okay, now physical means exercise. Whatever you understand is about launching your body. Okay, do some exercise.
Loud,
yeah. Nourishing our body means
Come in front, Fatma.
I want my food to eat. You need the healthy food. Healthy food means portion. You need to portion like nuts, good food, healthy food to keep your body healthy. Second thing is motion, to move your body. Every afternoon, lunch or dinner, you can do and walking around. Okay, and eat a lot of vegetables. Greens are very good for your health body, but movement is very important. Now, there's an example of a person having 2 bicycles. One bicycle is very
And motion control. That is the order of the day.
What is your call of action now?
All of action is to do exercise.
Exercise
Even
and
we do yoga means we do yoga, balance yoga. Okay? And then we have
Yes, all of you, show your poses.
Yeah, do your poses.
Okay, also I believe breathing is very important. Eyes, yeah, right? And then this, and then breathing. Okay, so what you're doing is. No. You get back practice. Out of it.
Very.
Let you get your brain.
So very nice, physical group. We have done one. Again, do box breathing. Then ask yourself, who is
was there, there was a well in a village, so daily people were coming and taking out the water. It was a fresh water well, so daily they were coming and taking out the water from there and taking it home. So every time the new water was coming there, so it was a fresh new water every time. But then with the pass of time they got a new pipe system and they put the pipe and they stopped using the well. So when they stopped using the well, the water went stagnant, green, thick and all that. So that was not because there is less water, it was because there was not moving of the water. So in the same way with our mind, we have to learn new things, we have to give it then to the people and then take, every time when you talk to the people or you give your knowledge to the people, you learn something also. So it's give and take. And
Then just to show this, the spirituality is not anything.
it will stay there. So there is a verse in the Quran that says that they think they are doing right, but they are not. Because by saying I pray, they did right, but they didn't. See? So if you don't do that, then you are not there. Your spirituality will not rise. Will not rise. And if to rise the spirituality, all the 4 pillars have to be together.
Living fully and aging gracefully. Ground your mind, body, and heart. Let's co-create your perfect retreat.